So our lesson today is chapter 4, lesson 2. This is on taking apart tens to subtract. In addition, we have learned that sometimes we have to regroup. We get 10 little ones and we have to make a stick. Now, in subtraction, we're doing the opposite. We're taking our tens apart. Okay? So on your worksheet today, I want you to listen to the question, and we're going to practice this. There are 56 leaves on a tree. 22 leaves fall off the tree. So what they want us to do right now is with your base 10 blocks, put on your paper 22. Show Mrs. Murphy, how do you make 22 of your base 10 blocks? Tell me. How do you make 22? That's the first thing they want you to do. Okay, lay it on your paper. Lay it in your paper right on that white part. Okay. I see a lot of you with 2 sticks, and I'm going to borrow Aria's, and 2 little cubes. If you have 2 sticks and 2 cubes on your paper, you're right. You have 10, 20, 21, 22. Now, over here, where it says 22 equals, we're going to put a 2 to show we have 2 tens, and then a 2 to show that we have 2 ones. So we have 2 tens and 2 ones. Now, we're going to get back to our problem. If there are 56 leaves on a tree, pretend right here, guys. Pretend this area is where your tree is. So on your paper, can you show Mrs. Murphy 56 with your base 10 blocks? So think, how many sticks do you need and how many cubes? They're over here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Okay. Awesome. I see you guys working hard. You're almost there.
What was the number?
56.
What was the number?
56.
And how many little ones? 5.
56.
Oh, thank you.
Now, if you have 56 cubes, you should have 5 sticks, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And Mrs. Murphy is just going to draw I'm going to erase this for right now. And I'm going to draw, these red ones are going to be my sticks. 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now, you should have 6 little cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now, can you just take your 56 cubes and just push them off the paper so that they're off to the side? So Aria has hers off to the side so that she can draw this just like Mrs. Murphy did. Okay? The rest of her cubes are in front of her or in her cup. Okay? So let's just push them off to the side. Now I want you to draw this. When we did our sticks last time, we kind of did make them look like sticks. So you can either do lines or you can make them look like the actual sticks. Either way is fine with Mrs. Murphy. Yes, Carla?
When you make sticks, you can just, put candy on
Then connect them. You're right, you can do that. Are you drawing it, Carson? Why not? Why not? All right, so draw your 5 sticks and your 6 ones. We're going to pretend these are our leaves. Now, it's fall, just like it's fall here. And in our story problem, it says that 22 leaves fall off the tree. So, Kinsley, are we adding more leaves or are we taking some away? We're taking them away. So if we take something away, is that addition or subtraction? Subtraction. So now we're all in subtraction in this chapter. No more, well, I should say no more addition, but we're really talking about subtraction.
Not
so
addition.
Over here, you can see your subtraction sign. So we're going to put subtract. And we're going to take 22 away. Now, I want you to really think. On your desk, you have 56. How are you going to take 22 away? Rain, what would you do if you had to take 22 away?
Now take the 2 from the 1.
Okay, so Rain says take 2 of the ones, so 2 of these little ones. Aria and I are sharing. Is that okay, Aria? Okay.
2 of the 10.
And then he said take 2 of the 10s. Because that's what we just did up here. We figured out what 22 was. So we're going to take away 2 sticks and 2 ones. Ellie?
I know another way. You could act like these are a robber. You could, like, steal the money.
Sure.
Take
Okay.
the money.
But we're talking about trees here, but you could. Now, take your 22, and I want you to either put them back in your cup or put them back where your other cubes are. Just 22 of them. Just take those 22 away. So, John, did you take your 22 away? Okay, what are you left with? Oh, you are left with 33? Is that what you said? Okay, let's see what the rest of you are left with. Ellie, what are you left with?
34.
Oh, you got 34. Rain?
34.
34?
34.
34?
34.
34?
34.
34?
34. 34.
Ooh, so John, how many do you think you accidentally took away? You took 3 away. So put 1 back because you're only supposed to take 2 away. So I think most of you
I
are
got
left
34.
with 34. So right now, with your pencil, I would like you to cross off 2 of these that you took away, and then cross off 2 of your little cubes. So you should be left with 1, 2, 3 10s. So that's 30, and then you should be left with 1, 2, 3, 4 1. 34. So now they want you to write that problem. Carson, I want you to follow along. So they want you to write 56 minus 22 equals 34. And our answer would be 34 leaves, because this is a story problem, so they always want you to have a label. So whenever we have a story problem, we have to have a label. 34 leaves.
34.
Okay, now we just did our first subtraction problem. And we use our base 10 blocks to take away. Okay, and I think everybody is starting to kind of understand this. It's kind of hard, but I think we're getting it. Let's flip it to the next paper. And at the top, you should have guided practice. You can do it later at party fun time. I can't wait for you to not be following along, John. get back from, are you ready to go? You don't even have any of these sharpened. I mean, I don't know how I can help you be ready, because that's your job when you come back from lunch. There's one right there. Oh, there's an eraser there.
In the morning.
Okay, now, this is the tricky way to subtract. Remember how in addition they had the hard way to add? Yeah, they're going to start out with a hard way to subtract. Mrs. Murphy doesn't really like this way, but I'm going to teach it to you because you might like this way. Just because I don't like it, that doesn't mean you might not like it.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can take apart numbers to subtract. To find 35 minus 13, we're going to take apart a number to make 10, just like we did in addition. We want to find a 10. So right up here, with your pencil, guys.
Yeah.
I don't see a lot of eyes. I have 35 minus 13. I'm going to take 3 away so I have 10. So right now, I would like you to trace the 10 and a 3. Because 10 and 3 gives me 13. I'll switch. Now Mrs. Murphy can subtract in my head. 35, take 10 away. That's easy. What is it, guys?
10.
No. 25. So I'm going from 35 down to 25. So I should have 25. So everybody trace 35 minus 10 equals 25. Now this would be easy because if I have 25 and I count back 3, 24, 23, 22. So that's one way I can find it is I can do 35
and 3 and 22.
minus 3 is 22.
It's more fun. It's kind of like on Wednesday.
Okay. All right, we're going to practice this now. This is the tricky step. All right. Let's try this first one. 64 minus 12. Now they want us to break 12 apart. So, John, if I have 12, what should I break 12 down to get to 10? 2 and 10. So right now, John is right. You're going to do 2 and a 10. Okay, we're going to put a 2, and we're going to put a 10.
Wait, 10 equals there?
Well, 10 plus 2 is 12.
No!
Now, we should all be able to take 64 and take 10 away in our heads. Okay, second graders think. 64 minus 10 would be 54. Good job, 54. Oops. So 64 minus 10 equals 54. Now, I'm going to put that 54 here, and I've already taken 10 away, so how much more is left to take away?
2.
Riley?
2.
2. So 54 take 2 away would be
52.
53, 52. Good job. So 64 minus 12 is 52. I will when we get done. Okay, on the next one, 45 minus 24. They want us to break apart 24. Kaden, do you think what should we break that down to? What do you think, Kaden?
2 and 4. Can we extend the circle to 2?
If you want to.
Yeah, right.
That's fine. Kaden, what were you saying? What?
You can take 20 and 4.
Yeah! How did you know that?
I just saw it.
Yeah, you just thought we got to get down to 20. That's the easiest number to get down to. You are right. So Kaden says, hey, let's break 24 down to 20 and 4. Because in our head, we can now take 45 and take 20 away. So let me think. 45, go back 10 would be 35.
30.
Then go back to 25. So 45, 35, 25. So 40 subtract 20 is 25.
That's how old our mom is.
Now, we're going to put this 25 here, and I'm going to do what Lewis asked. Mrs. Murphy, can we cross that off and circle what's left? I would. That would help you. Because we've already done the 20 down here.
Don't tell
So
Daddy
Lewis,
to go.
Lewis, what's left?
Are your heads in the way? 25.
No, we already have 25. What's left? What did I just circle?
4.
4. So now we're going to take 4 away. So if I have 25 and I go back 4, that should be easy. I should have 24, 23, 22, 21. So 45 minus 24 is 21.
Oh no.
Okay, everybody has this? What's the paper?
2.
2.
The way back? Take that out. Are we gonna do this
You know what? This is going to be hard. So Mrs. Murphy wants to do one more with you. And then we might have to stop for today because I look at the clock and I know Miss Schaefer's going to be here any minute. So let's see if we can get one more problem in before Miss Schaefer gets here, okay? At the top, we're going to take apart a number to make a 10. Oh. So on number 3, we have 47 and we're going to take 26 away. So Ingrid, if I have 26 and I'm going to break that apart, what do you think we should break that apart to?
26.
Yeah, 20 and 6. So you're basically just saying it. 26.
She said 26.
Okay, now, Ingrid's right. She says break 26 into 20 and 6.
That's just guess one. Take away the 0.
Exactly, that's all you have to do. Aria says this. Mrs. Murphy,
Just take away the
if you just take away that 0, you would have 26. So yes, that is what you're going for. You're trying to figure out that number that can make it like that.
Yeah, 26.
Okay, my last, okay, now, if I have 47 and I take 26 away, I'm sorry, not 26, but 20. So I got 47, go back 20, 37, 27. Okay, now I gotta put the 27 down here. I'm gonna get rid of that 20 because I've already used him, and I got 6 left to subtract. So if I have 27 and I take 6 away, what would that be, Aria?
27.
27 minus 6. 26, 25, 24, 21. So 47 minus 26 is 21.
And we just had to do it.